with these wins, anong statement na siguro gusto ibigay ng yours to the entire year?
Wala naman. We just stick to our principles. I mean, what we do as a team. We're glad na we're progressing. You know, mahaba pa yung season. We have second round pa. It's just the first 2 games and a lot of teams ngayon. I mean, top their line-up, mas magagaling na, mas competitive. So you can never count anyone out here sa liga natin. There's no statement naman for the whole league. It's just that we're happy na we're progressing.
Bounce back nakikita na kayo sa last game ito. Ikaw yung statement win over the Sun this time around.
Well, kasi I knew that Lasal was my first game. So, yung pinaghahandaan ko is Lasal. So, I mean, we prepared as a team individually and then kasi talaga, I know na Lasal yung first game ko. So, yung preparations ko, din na like towards Lasal.